Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove or delete guest user account in Windows 11. So click on the start icon and then go to settings. And once the setting is opened, click on accounts, which is at the left hand side. Now here, scroll down and you will find other users, device access, work or school users. So we will click on this arrow sign and here you will find the guest user right here. So whatever the account you have, you'll find it here and you just need to, let's say if you want to remove that, you just need to click on remove and it will ask you to say yes. I'll show you what exactly it says. It says delete account and data, and if you want to proceed you can simply click on delete account and data. So this is how you can remove guest user in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.